That cookie you just ate, around 600 calories. To burn that off, you'd need nearly an hour of all-out running. Not jogging, sprinting. Ask yourself honestly, is that trade worth it? Because here's the truth most people avoid. You cannot exercise your way out of a bad diet. A lot of people treat fitness like punishment. They think if it doesn't hurt, it doesn't work. So they go hard. Sprints, intense workouts, pushing to exhaustion. Then months pass, and nothing really changes. Same belly, same frustration. It's not because they are lazy. It's because they are using the wrong strategy. Why belly fat stays? Your body isn't random. It's protective. Fat cells actually respond to signals. Some signals tell fat to release energy. Others tell it to hold on tightly. And guess where most of the hold on signals live? Right around your stomach. That's why your face gets lean first. Your arms slim down. But your belly just sits there like it signed a long-term lease. The hidden trap. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you push into intense workouts, your body goes into stress mode. It releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Those can help burn fat in some areas. But around your midsection, they can actually make your body cling to fat even more. So you end up working harder, just to stay stuck. The shift in strategy. So what's the smarter move? You stop trying to destroy your body and start working with it. There's a state where your body prefers to burn fat instead of sugar. And the easiest way to enter that state is something simple. Walking. Why walking works? Think of your body like it has two fuel systems. One burns fast energy, like carbs. The other taps into stored fat. High-intensity workouts mostly use the quick fuel. But steady, low-intensity movement, that's where fat burning really happens. And here's the key. When you walk at a relaxed pace, your stress levels stay low. That means your body doesn't go into defense mode. It actually allows fat to be used as energy. Common mistake. But don't get it twisted. Random walking here and there won't change your body. You need structure. The simple protocol. Here's the easiest system to follow. After every meal, take a 10-minute walk. Breakfast, walk. Lunch, walk. Dinner, walk. That's just 30 minutes total for the entire day. Why does this matter? Because after you eat, your body is in storage mode. Walking right after helps redirect the energy into movement instead of fat storage. It's a small shift, but it makes a huge difference over time. Bonus movement hacks. Then stack simple habits on top. Park a little farther away. Take the stairs when you can. Move while you're on coals instead of sitting. These small actions add up fast without draining your energy. For faster results. If you want to speed things up, add incline walking a couple times a week. Walking uphill increases effort without the impact of running. You burn more, but still stay in that fat-burning zone. Just one rule. Don't lean on the machine. Let your body do the work. A reality check. Now let's be real for a second. You can walk all day, but if your eating is out of control, nothing changes. It takes minutes to eat hundreds of calories, but much longer to burn them. So use this approach the right way. Let your nutrition create the progress. Let movement support it. Simple plan. Start small. First week, just focus on walking after meals. Build consistency. Then increase your daily steps gradually. Add inclined sessions if you're ready. No extremes. No burnout. Just steady progress. Mindset shift. The biggest lie in fitness is that results require suffering. They don't. The real secret is sustainability. Something you can repeat daily without hating your life. And walking. That's something your body was built to do. Closing CTA. Try this for the next 7 days. Just 10 minutes after each meal. Come back and tell me how you feel. And if you want a step-by-step system to turn simple strategies like this into real results, check the link in bio.